Hey everybody, this is Mr. Storm. I just very quickly wanted to explain the text adventure game assignment because it is kind of a big assignment and I want to be as clear as possible. And I want to show you a couple of examples. But first, let's talk about the assignment itself. So you're going to create a text adventure game. This is going to be a text-based text adventure game in Java. And what's going to happen is you're going to allow your user to make choices in the game, and those choices are going to change the outcome. So you need to have at least two methods without a return type. Okay, you need to have at least one method that returns a value. So at least three methods here. You need to have at least three conditional statements, so if-else statements, at least 5 variables, and the program must run without errors. Those are the total requirements for this project. Now, some of the previous projects that we've worked on in this class, like your combat simulator, that you can use completely in this project, just copy and paste right in. There are a lot of other projects that we've used that you can use as examples. But let me show you a couple of examples. Now, I'm not going to show you the code for these projects because that would be cheating, but I want to show you kind of how they work. So this one says, "Hello soldier, welcome to the trenches. Your mission is to deliver the message to the allies in the northeastern side of no man's land. Best of luck to you, sir, and God bless you. You need to choose which way to go. To go to left, choose 1. To go right, choose 2. I'm going to go left. You chose to go left. You start heading left down the trenches, but hear a voice yelling at you from behind, but your ears are ringing all the artillery fire around you. All of a sudden, you hear a high-pitched whistle and see a bright flash. I was killed by a mortar." All right, let me try that again. Let's go right this time. So the whole point of these games is to try to figure out your way all the way through the game. So let's see. Stay and help the injured soldier. I'm going to stay and help the injured soldier. Oh, no, I'm going to stay. I chose to stay. I got killed, right? So that's this example, right? We're just choosing the correct path to get to the end of the story. Same thing here. Another example. Random person, you have been chosen. What is your name? Ooh, this one lets me put in my name. My name is David. David, you are now a member of the Miners Guild. I apologize in advance. Welcome on in then. Narrator, do you follow them willingly or struggle? Hint, you have to type willingly or struggle. I am going to struggle. You fail to struggle and get dragged into a mysterious building. I have decided I no longer value you. Bye. He throws you into the mines. Do you explore or climb out? Hint, type explore or climb. I'm going to explore. Your new adventure causes nothing but pain and suffering for all. And it looks like the game is over. So again, that's what we're talking about. We're giving them branching paths. Let's look at one more example. So you're in a world where you have to fight monsters and beasts, and you are the adventurer in the story. You will have to choose. You have a choice of 3 names. That will be Noah, David, Steve. Well, my name is David, so I'm going to try David. Your name is David. You were programming a game and suddenly black out and spawn in the world and very determined. This person put a lot of writing into it. Oh, I got the bad ending because I chose David as my name. Let me try a different name. Noah. I got the good and the bad ending. All right. Anyway, so this goes through, and so this one doesn't really have a lot of branching paths, but it has custom stories based on the name you've chosen. So anyway, these are all good examples of the project. It doesn't have to be anything super extensive. Just to give you a taste of kind of what you're looking for, I just want to look at the lines of code here. This project has a total of, we're talking about 70-ish lines of code here, 80, 90, about 100 lines of code for this project. So, you know, a lot of that is just going to be handling your if-else statements, handling your different methods, and that kind of stuff. Like I said, we already have previous projects that have a lot of this in there. You can just copy and paste straight in. So it's completely up to you how you do it. But you have to have these 5 requirements in order for the project to be considered, an A, right? So let me know if you have any questions. There's your quick explainer for this project. I will see you next time.